What's going on? It's Brian Gubernick with Patriot Property Management. I'm alongside my partner, Cassie McClenahan. And today we want to talk a little bit around how we handle those emergency maintenance calls, which hopefully are not coming all that often. Cassie, what happens when something goes wrong at a property at, say, 2 a.m.?
Yeah, at 2 a.m., we get the call. We have 24/7 maintenance hotline. They can also put something into the portal, which can dispatch a vendor quickly. But bottom line for you is someone's on it.
Yeah, and I think it's important to mention the very first thing you said, we get the call, not the owner. So part of the benefit in engaging with Patriot is that 2 a.m. call, when it comes, and hopefully it doesn't, but it may show up, you're not the one answering. We're the one that has to answer and take care of that on your behalf. That's why you employ us. Cassie, what's the benefit overall for the landlord there?
Yeah, so you didn't get interrupted in your sleep schedule. You didn't have to call and find a plumber or whoever you need in the middle of the night. Usually it's the air conditioning. But we also kept you from being interrupted or that small thing turning into something major because we responded quickly.
Yeah, the speed at which we respond actually can turn something or help keep something that's rather small from becoming something more significant. One thing that we're always thinking around is the tenant experience. So what's the tenant experience like from their side or from their perspective?
Yeah, so they feel taken care of. They know who to call, when they can call, anytime, and how to get a hold of us, and that someone will respond because someone did pick up the phone. They didn't get, send an email and hope someone gets up early in the morning. Like someone answered the phone and said, "We've got you."
They feel so much better. And when they feel better, then when they have a better experience, they remain in a property. And you as the investor, you as the property owner, it limits your vacancy potential, the likelihood that they're going to want to leave at some point. When we respond in this manner, it keeps them engaged and wanting to stay in that property.
Yeah.
If you want to talk about your plan for your rental property or properties, please reach out to Patriot Property Management today. Thank you.